Here's how to download and install Brave browser on your PC. Open whatever browser you currently have and search for Brave browser. When the results appear, look specifically for Brave.com, the official website. This matters because searching for popular software and clicking the wrong link is one of the most common ways people accidentally download fake or malicious installers. Verify the domain before clicking. On the Brave homepage, click Download Brave or Get Brave. This button is prominent on the homepage and automatically detects your operating system. Click it and a file called bravebrowsersetup.exe will download to your computer. Find it in your Downloads folder and double-click to run it. The installer handles everything automatically from here. It downloads any additional components it needs and installs the browser without requiring you to make manual choices. Once finished, Brave will open on its own, which confirms the installation completed successfully. A note on why Brave is worth considering. Unlike other browsers, Brave blocks ads and trackers automatically by default without needing extensions. This makes pages load faster since the browser does not need to download ad content, and it also reduces the amount of tracking data collected about you while browsing. It is built on the same Chromium engine as Chrome, so all your Chrome extensions will work in Brave as well. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on StepByClick.